probably not that bad, even though you may have suspected an incoming jump scare. It might not have been that good for you. This is the thing about the term scary. It's incredibly subjective. Some people may get freaked out by something that others might even find amusing. For this video, I have asked you guys once again to send in your scariest clips. That is each and every one of you sending me something that you deem as scary. That means that the variation of potentially scary footage we might be seeing will probably be quite high in this one, and I guarantee you may be